Alright everyone, we're just finishing up this video on this 2001 379 Peterbilt. We made it into a day cab. The bunk had a few issues on it. The rest of the truck was super sound. We had the motor rebuilt on this. It has an ISX Cummins engine. So we had the motor rebuilt by the same guy that we have do all of our engines. He's been a motor builder for well over 40 years. Anyways, so we have all the paperwork on it. This has an 18-speed transmission. Off the top of my head, I can't remember the gears. So in the description, we'll have that information. This video here just pretty much shows the overall view of this truck being built. We didn't show everything on this truck. The video cameras weren't running the entire time. We were also simultaneous on this truck being built. We were working on that green Peterbilt we built. So some cameras weren't always running.
No one's
Hope everybody likes this build. Just showing kind of what we did to this day cab. It's a 2001 379 Peterbilt turned into a day cab. It has rebuilt ISX Cummins with paperwork, 18-speed transmission. All the other details will be in the description. This truck will be available for sale this next week. Feel free to give us a call. We will also be putting out a full video going over all the details on this truck, probably by the end of this week. So feel free to check back. Most of these trucks have been not lasting very long, so if you feel any interest at all in the truck, give us a shout. We'll go over it with you. All of our information will be in the description below. We'll also be putting this stuff out on our Facebook page and going that way. We always put our stuff out on YouTube first and then go out on our Facebook and other social medias.